Hey guys, so today I'm going to go over my little repair kit that I have here. It's very, very tiny. There's very little in it, and I'm just storing it in a little baggie, and it's going to go in with my electronics bag. So let's dive in. So time's ticking. We're getting closer and closer. I feel like I'm getting more done in the last week or two than I have been in the last year, just because I just got it narrowed down to one list now and I can just scratch them off as I'm going. Before, I had multiple lists for multiple different types of things that needed to be done. So anyway, yeah, so I'm starting to feel a bit better about what's left to be done. So in my repair, it's my gear / repair kit. I just have a few odds and ends in here. So number one is one of these ties. So not many people carry these, but I carry one. I'm always scared that if a backpack strap breaks or something like that, that this could come in handy. So I'm just throwing that in. I also have one of my little cinch mechanisms that I'm scared will break as well. So I throw that in there. I have an extra lighter. I have some crazy glue. I have some Dyneema to repair my tent if something happens. Hopefully nothing happens to my tent. It was expensive. I also have just a little bit of repair for my screen. So these I just clean around the hole and stick these on. I will not go without these because I do not want critters in my tent. So that's coming with me. And I also have the repair kit for my sleeping pad. Then I have some Tenacious Tape, and this tape, I wrote the instructions down on this, that's what that is, but it's Gear Aid. It's Tenacious Tape by Gear Aid. I can use this for anything almost. So I can use that to repair like a hole in my jacket, just different things. And then I just have a couple of these Velcro strips if I need them for anything to hold something on my backpack or to hold something together that's breaking or whatever. So yeah, so that's it for my repair kit. Hopefully I never need it, and I'm gonna put it in with my electronics, the bottom of the bag, and hope that it stays there my whole through hike. It might be wishful thinking, but that's what I'm hoping for. So again, if you feel that I am missing something, just put it in the comments below. Or if you think I have duplicated something in there that I don't need, put it in the comments below. I'm always looking for help to make my backpack lighter. And I thank you guys for watching.